All right, I'm on my computer going through all my reference materials that I've collected over the years, trying to stimulate my brain as far as my next project. I've got two possible ideas popping around in my head, and it's going to be just a matter of figuring out the storyline for each and which one I want to do first. And one involves a female. I haven't decided whether to make it a pioneer woman or uh, a Native American woman. Um, the other is a idea that I got this morning while going through Facebook and looking at some of the paintings of my friends, my artist friends, and there's one painting that came up with a mountain man hiding from a couple of Indians on horseback. Now, I've been thinking about that one because I like the idea. And there was a scene in the movie Ben-Hur, which I watched over the weekend, where Charlton Heston is going down to see his mother and sister at the leper colony in those caves. And he's told to hide because they would be terribly, terribly embarrassed to know that he knows about them being there. They'd rather have him think that he's dead. So Charlton Heston, just before the two come out of the cave, he presses himself up against a rock to hide from him. And that was a great pose. And I thought of that at the time I saw it this weekend, and I thought that'd be neat sculpture. Well, anyway, long story short, I'm working on ideas. I'm going by whatever comes into my head. The female figure on a horse came to me from a friend, and I like the idea. And so I've been going through looking for photographs of women riding horses. So I just want to let you know I'm still working on the possibilities of what I'm going to do next. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what the heck I'm doing. And I'm going to go back to doing my research after I eat dinner, of course. I've got that cooking on the stove right now. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Good night.